All right, guys. We are headed to volleyball. 11:15 or so on what day is it? It's Monday, the 23rd of November, 2024. And we are headed to the volleyball game that happens like 6 times a week here at Preferred RV Resort. Goes from 11:30 a.m. to 1. And here we go. Hey, Bob, you're on camera, man. You're being recorded. You're going to be the star of the YouTube show today.
All right. Well, welcome back.
All right.
We need volleyball players.
Well, that's it for volleyball today. I hope you enjoyed watching us play. We sure all had a good time. And I appreciate you watching my videos. And take care. I'll see you in the next one.